is a matter of pleasure to spend time in the college, chit-chatting, talking about people, making girlfriend, boyfriend, this and that and blah 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 blah. Because we are spending parents' money. The moment you get a degree, then the real struggle starts. We go outside. Outside world is not very soft, kind, and not ready to give you even one single paisa unless you have proved your worth. The engineers outside, they are employed for 8,000 rupees a month, whereas the other classmates, they are getting 80,000 rupees a month, and some classmates, they are getting 8 lakhs a month. We have to find out what is the difference, right? That is what we are going to talk about, how to make ourselves in that lot who will make 8 lakhs per month. That means beyond the classroom learning, there have to be some qualities, not only the bookish qualities, we have to have certain other qualities to make ourselves better, what should I say, the team members. Because outside any corporate world, any corporate unit, any organization, they don't require the individuals. They require somebody who sets in, who adjusts in, who finds himself, herself being a member of that particular team which is already existing. Every organization has got certain culture, certain rules and regulations, certain ethics. More than engineering, more than a physicist, more than a psychologist, they require a good human being, a good team worker, a person who can cooperate in the projects, the person who can contribute without being supervised, a person who does not waste his hard time and does not waste the time of the organization. Please remember, friends, nobody, no corporate owner will pay you from his or her pocket. If you say that you are getting 2 lakhs per month, you must be earning 2.5 lakhs for the owner. And out of 2.5 lakhs which you earn, bring to the table, he pays you 2 lakhs. Are you understanding what I am talking? So make yourself talented, make yourself able, make yourself capable, so that the success, the job that looks for you, you are not to look for the job. The talented people, the capable people from any type of education, be engineering, telecom engineering, mechanical, civil, electronics, aero, mariners, marine engineering, anything. What is needed? The capability. Am I clear? Understood? Shall we start on the subject? Okay. Sunita Williams today is trapped on the way to moon. So after 10 years, 5 years, we will have all flats on moon. You all will have accommodation on moon. Who will make this? All engineers, civil engineers, structural engineers, right? Who will make the ships? Maritime industry, ship designers, architects, naval architects, shipyard owners. In Cochin, there is a Cochin shipyard. In Surat, there is Agarwal shipyard. They are all engineers, right? Naval designers, they design the ships. We started, if you read the history of the maritime, what were the first type of the ships? Wooden ships, crafts. And today what type? All ships made of steel. Who designed this? Who tests the density of steel? All engineers. Who set the buoyancy, displacement? All engineers. So in the maritime industry, you can be chief engineers on board ships. You can run the shipyards. You can run the junk shipyards. All broken ships. Right? Near Dwarka, we have got a very big shipyard. Near Dwarka. All broken ships. All broken boats. Right? They are separated. They are taken as scrap, and all useful parts are taken out. Who does it? Mechanical engineers. Right? So maritime is not only for the captains. The ships are not only by the deck officers. Any ship has got two sections. What are those? The technical and the deck. Even the captain can be engineer. Nobody can stop him. Today we have got captains who are CAs, who are engineers, who are arts graduate. They are commerce graduates. So nobody can stop you. You have got avenue in running the ships, commanding the ships. We have got avenues in the Indian Navy, Army, Air Force. You might have seen people in uniform, army uniform, wearing here Madras sappers. They are all engineers. Sappers means engineers. Right? We have got civil engineers. We have got, they are making roads. They are making bridges. Tomorrow, your small village in Chennai, some small tribal village, the chief minister says it should be developed. Developed means what? The roads have to be built, accommodation has to be built, right? Will it not open jobs opportunities for the engineers? Which engineer is not required in making a house? Electrical. For IT, engineer, computers. For seeing the strength of the structures, structural engineer. Design engineer. Which engineering branch is not opening up? Am I right? Space industry. Tomorrow is going to be a big industry. Hospitality. They are opening the resorts. Who will make the resorts? You all have to make the resorts. Who will get the design of the house, resort, swimming pool? Past, you all. Civil engineer. Who will frame the electrical wiring? Electrical engineer. Who will do the maintenance? maintenance engineer. I wonder, as a wife, today we have got chapati making machines. Who made it? You all. Who designed the washing machines? You all. Who designed the dryers? Who designed? You all. So there are so many job opportunities in travel, tourism, space, marine, right, aero, etc., etc. Now let us talk a little about life. I am trying to give you one mantra. Okay? Remember this. Why did you join? Please stand up. My father told me. My mother wanted me to become engineer. Why did you join?
To create new designs, innovations.
Very good. What type of engineering you are doing?
Artificial intelligence and data science.
Sorry?
Artificial intelligence and data science.
Then I should sit down. You can now guess my intelligence. I am not intelligent at all. Why did you choose this branch? Please listen to her. Why did you choose this branch? Because this is upcoming. There are not many opportunities in it. Am I right? Very good. Very nice. Please sir. Yes, sir. What is your name, sir?
My name is Sarath.
Your name is?
Sarath.
Sharath. Sharath, sir. Which engineering are you doing? Which branch?
Same artificial intelligence and
How
data
many are
science.
doing artificial? AI? Somebody else who is doing mechanical, electrical, electronics, telecommunication and all that? You are doing? Please. I will ask you a little later. Let us have different people. What is your name, sir?
Girirajan sir.
Girirajan, sir. Why did you join electronics and instrumentation?
To learn something new, sir.
Had you done mechanical, you would have known something different.
Yes, sir. But I basically interested in electronics related field, sir, because the electronics was growing rapidly in the future generation, sir.
Very good.
Due to that, the processor are making like VLSI design, they are going now, sir. That's why I could take on this.
Very nice. What type of job you are expecting?
I don't really know, sir.
How much money? Which year are you?
I'm in third year, sir.
What do you mean? Last year or fourth year?
Fourth year is the last
It is last year.
Fifth sem. Up to 8th sem there is.
Please sit down for a second and hold this. Please answer this question. If you do not know, it does not matter. I will tell you the answer. You hold it. How many of you, please listen to this, very, very useful for you. How many of you know that in the last year, that is the fourth year, you can opt, I am talking very slow so that it sinks in your mind. You can apply for, opt means apply for joining Army, Navy, Air Force under university scheme. University engineering scheme, university entry scheme, university as commanding officers of the ships, commanding officers of the units, right? And you need not appear in any written test. Your selection is done in the college. Anybody was aware of this? I will give you my number. Whenever you are in doubt, please ask me, I will guide you. And my fee for any guidance. Shall I tell you my fees? You are going to give me? You are opening your back. You cannot afford my fee. My fee is a cup of tea or coffee for which I will pay. Okay? I give free guidance to the people. Why so? Because somebody guided me and I am standing here. And I want to produce 10 people who can tomorrow stand here and guide others. When we produce good people around, the crime rate comes down. Right? That is our contribution to the society. It is not only getting a degree. It is not only doing a job. When we engage ourselves constructively, we become good citizens. We have good families. We produce good children. We bring down the crime rate. Understand? So please try to do that. Tomorrow when you are a big officer with a big status, go to your village, go to your town, tell others, guide them and produce at least one like you. Okay? That is understood? Have you understood or not? So be good. Be good to yourself and be good to others. Right? Any branch of engineering is useful and there is no field where you are not useful. Let us see the slide, next one. Next slide please. These are my qualifications. Right? I started as a nuclear scientist. Okay. You will be glad to know that my son and myself, my son and myself, we together, father and son, we did LLB together, law together, sitting on the same benches, appearing in the same exam, and both qualified. Right? If we can study, why can't you study? Understood? There is no, please listen to this very carefully, there is nothing which has to be done only before marriage or after marriage, after 3 children, after 5 children, nothing like this. You can do anything, any learning can be done any time of your age. I am a very young boy of 76. Sorry. I have just joined the 11th MA and before I die, I have to do 12 complete. I have got 3 children who are all MBAs. They don't talk to me. They say, Daddy, you are illiterate, we will not talk to you till you do MBA. So after doing my 12th MA, I have to do MBA still. Okay. Shall I tell you the best part? Please listen to the best part and remain motivated. Nobody can motivate you except you, your own self. The Chief of the Naval Staff who retired on 30th April. Yeah. No. Right? The Chief of the Naval Staff That means the head of the Navy, Indian Navy, who retired 30th May. His name is R. Hari Kumar. He is from Chennai. I taught him physics. Right? Even today he tells me, sir, I remember you as my instructor. Never lose track of your instructors. Be ready to learn from them. Be ready to learn from their experience and all that. Right? Next slide, please. This I told you already. The art of leaving home, that is tourism. Next one. Next slide. These are the key components. If you are going to have the tourism or travel, what is the first one? It is affordability, attraction. I am going to Lakshadweep to see the whales, sharks. Then it should be approachable by rail, road, etc., etc. Affordability, you should be able to afford. Then it should have the amenities. There should be hotels. Who will make? You will make. For amenities, facilities. Right? You have to have the activities. You have to manufacture, you have to maintain the swimming pool, the casino structures and all that. Right? What are the next one? What are the various spiritual tourism? Yoga centers. Iyengar Yoga. Madurai has got a big center. Right? Igatpuri in Bombay has got Upasana, Vipassana. Right? Next one. We go for adventure. We have sports. In maritime, again, maritime sports we have. These are all the modes of travel, modes of various types of yoga centers, meditation centers, spiritual centers, all to be constructed by the engineers. These are all your shopping malls you are making. Right? Tour centers, tour guides, translators. Okay, guides, bloggers, content writers. There are so many things to be done by the engineers. Structures, museum maintenance. Okay, next one. All these are the jobs for you. Activity designers, medical staff, maintenance by the electrical, mechanical, air. Who is maintaining the aircrafts? All mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, aero engineers. Right? Naval industry, maritime industry. There is a collision of the ships at sea. Who maintains the law? The maritime lawyer. Okay. There is a conflict between the two boundaries at sea. Who maintains? Where should we throw our waste? Engineer is responsible on board ship. If something wrong happens, chief engineer goes for a fine. He is punished. All environment is maintained by the engineers. Next one, please. Town planning. All engineers. Next one. Tourist versus traveler, I told you already. Right? We go with a fixed mind, traveler. We go with research mind, adventure, it is a tourist. Clear? I have finished. Any questions, please? Any questions? My number, please write on 98 98200 96800. My sincere thanks to the college, the organizers, the Littoral team, and above everything, the students here, without whom I could not have spoken to the walls. Thank you very much. Once again, lot of thanks to, what is Kirna madam, no? Kirtana. My gratitude to the team, Sudha ma'am, Rani ma'am, Dhanya madam, and all the organizers in this college. Right? Namaskar and thank you very much.